Hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve this problem, merge nodes in between zeros. So basically what is happening when singly linked list is given to us, and there are multiple nodes, but there are some of zero nodes as well, zero valued nodes. So we have to basically get the sum of all the values lying between those consecutive zero nodes, and then we have to replace in the resultant linked list. We have to replace those sum into a node, and we don't have to have any zeros in the resultant linked list. So let me explain it better way in the diagram. So let me draw a diagram. So guys, we will keep the approach very simple. So what we have to do is basically we will start from the very first node and we will call on the next of it. Okay, so we will keep on summing until we are getting the next node which have the value 0. Okay, so after getting this value 0, what we will keep on these summing. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So this value 4, whatever we got 4 here as the sum, we have to basically update this 4 into this already existing node. So we will store in the existing nodes only. So this value will become 4 instead of 0. Okay, so let me update it. Okay, so new value of this first node would become 4. Now what would be the next? So we will keep this next equal to the 0 node, the next 0 node. Okay, so now we are coming at this point. Okay, now again from this 0 we will check whether this is a last 0. No, because next is not null, so we have to keep on calling. So what will happen next? We will again call until we get a new 0. So 4 plus 5 equal to 9, 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So sum is 11. So once we reach, this is our 0. So we will stop at here. Now this value 11 we have to update instead of this 0. Okay, so let me make that. So see, now I have updated this 11. Now our next node would be this dot, means whatever value is, the cur dot next would be equal to this next value which is 0. Okay, so now we are reached here, but this is already null. So whenever we are assigning this dot next, if it is null, this dot next equal to null, means if this is last one, that means we will assign this guy as this dot next equal to null. So finally what will happen, our resultant linked list would be like this. So because we escaped these values, so these would be removed, right? These also removed. And what would be our linked list? Our linked list would be something like this. We made this thing, right? So 4 to 11, 11 to this 0. So 0 would be replaced by null, right? So we would be removing this as well because it has to be null only. So this would be our resultant linked list. Okay, so 4 next, 11, 11 next, null. That's it. So let me write down our code approach here. So you guys can see I will explain each and every line. So first of all, I have written one boolean variable is answer is noted. I am keeping this because very first time we have to, at very first node we have to note that as an answer, okay, into this variable, answer variable, because next time we have to stop. So what will happen here, I am starting with the head. So head is our very first node. Then I have this variable. So see here, I am calling this cur equal to head dot next, means the next node value from the 0. Okay, so I am just traversing through that while cur dot val is not equal to 0 and cur is not equal to null, then I am keep on summing, sum equal to cur dot val. Okay, sum equal to sum plus cur dot val, and I then keep on going until we get a 0 node. So after getting this node, what I am doing, I am updating that head dot value equal to sum. Okay, like this we are doing here, right? We sum everything and we assigned it to this guy. Okay, so similarly I am doing there. So then see here, after assigning, I am going if cur dot next equal to null, then cur equal to null, right? The value which we are assigning. Then see here, if answer is not noted, means very first time we have to make answer equal to head because first would be our node, and then I will make this answer not noted equal to true, so that nothing would be answer, only very first node is our answer. Okay, And see here, now here I am making that head dot next equal to cur, means the value which got a 0 node value. Okay, head dot next equal to cur, and then I'm going to head equal to head dot next. Similarly, what we were doing here, we got the sum here, and then we make head dot next equal to this value cur. Okay, cur is the 0 1 where we got a 0. And similarly, then finally we are coming here, and after coming out of these two while loops, we are returning this answer. This is our value. So let me execute the code. I'm executing this code. Yeah, it is working fine. So let me submit it. Yeah, so it is working fine. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any concern, definitely you can make a comment over there.